In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the test mode on your Windows. So let's get started. So if the test mode is enabled on your Windows, then here's how you can disable that. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Do not forget to run the command prompt as an administrator for the command to work. Now I'm just going to paste the command right here. So it's bcdedit.exe space dash set space test signing space off and hit enter. This command will also be posted in the description section of this video. And once done, it will state right here that it was the completed successfully. But in my case, I have this error because this is not enabled or the test mode is not enabled on my Windows. But in your case, you just have to simply run this command and everything will or the test mode will be disabled, and that's it. You just need to type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.